First up.
Are you a mute?
Gents, in case you don't know this, compliments are one of the most powerful and simple tools that you can use to build relationships with other people. And guys, this is especially true with the ladies. The right compliment at the right time can melt any heart, even if she's upset with you. Now, before we get into the specific compliments, let's go over the 3 basic rules for giving a great compliment. I know some of you guys are saying, Antonio, I never give a compliment. All women are feminists. They don't want them. I don't want to offend them. That's not true. Here's the deal. Is it rule number 1? You've got to be sincere. You've got to be honest. You've got to be true. Don't tell somebody something that's not true. They can see right through you. You want it to come from the heart. Second up, don't overdo it. Don't give a person a compliment all the time, multiple times a day. That's probably too much right there. Pull back 1 compliment a day or once per interaction. That's all you need. And third, make sure that it's the right time, that you're clear. I mean, you don't want to give someone a compliment in front of a lot of other people and embarrass them. You want to be tactful. You want to think, okay, is this a great moment to give a compliment that's going to build them up? First up on my list, I've learned so much from you. What I like about this one, it's platonic. You can use it with your wife. You can use it with a business partner. You can use it with anybody. But what this shows is that you respect them, that you have actually listened to them, that you have learned so much from them. It's a very powerful statement that I think you could use in pretty much any situation. Next up, you're an amazing friend. What I like about this one is it's simple. But how often do you tell your amazing friends that they are amazing friends? Probably not often enough. So again, this one you can use in a wide variety of situations. Now let's get a little bit more romantic. I can't believe I found somebody like you. I get excited every time I see you. You're not like anyone I've met before. You're my favorite person to spend time with. Spending time with you is the highlight of my day. You know, I miss you even before you've left. I feel lucky to be with you. You make me want to be my best. I'm a better man when I'm with you. Simply put, babe, you make me happy. So the best part about all those compliments and why women love them, because they have nothing to do with their physical beauty. They have everything to do with who they are as a person and how that affects you, because the relationship is pretty big. As guys, I think we're oblivious to this sometimes, but women are really in tune with the relationship and the dynamics. And to hear us tell them this, it's very, very powerful. Now, what about compliments for someone you don't know really well, but you're romantically interested in? Now, for a lot of guys, they find these compliments harder to give because of the fear of rejection. Here's a trick. I'm going to make this simple. Be sincere and give a real, genuine smile. A sincere, genuine smile is powerful. It can disarm a woman's defenses, and she's going to be more open to hearing what you have to say. Now, if you're worried about your smile and your teeth, let me ask you a question. Are you still using an antiquated toothbrush like this? Guys, you need to get rid of this, and you need to grab an electric toothbrush. And not just any electric toothbrush. I want you to check out the sponsor of today's video, Brio Smart Clean. Here is my testimonial. So 3.5 years ago, I basically got gingivitis and advanced gum disease. And my dentist said, hey, you are going to lose your teeth soon if you don't take better care of them. Lo and behold, I found a toothbrush, 31,000 oscillations a minute. And what I love is it's got these 30-second reminders that, okay, you're done with this part of your teeth, move over to the other part. This thing, whenever I take a trip around the world, and I was able to take this because it worked for 6 weeks without having to get a recharge. This toothbrush is amazing. And another thing I love about it, they paid attention to the bristles. So the bristle that I use all the time is the Pro Clean. This one right here, it's got a little bit longer and thinner bristles, and it's good for getting deeper in and a better clean in and around the teeth. But if you just want their classic head, they've got you covered over with the Smart Clean. They've also got this X Clean, and this is the largest bristle head you will find on an electric toothbrush. Gents, I'm linking to Brio down in the description of today's video with the best deal you're going to find out there. Use that link, guys. It's not going to be around forever. That deal is a sweet deal. Use it or lose it, guys. And again, Brio, I've used this toothbrush personally for 2 years. It is the best I've ever found. My hygienist, my dentist, they're saying, wow, you do such a great job now brushing. We wish you would have done it earlier. But hey, now I found this and I'm using it, guys. I am very thankful. Great product. Go check it out. Highly recommend it. Now, as promised, compliments for someone you don't know very well, but have a romantic interest in. You have all my respect. You walk with such determination. It looks like you can take over the world. One thing I love about you is that you are always unapologetically yourself. Your outfit works with your eyes perfectly. Every time I see you smile, I can't help but smile myself. Do you even realize how talented you are? You're a real gem. You know what's wonderful? You. Even on a bad day, you are a wonderful person. Do you know you bite your finger when you're thinking? I find it really cute. I'm really looking forward to seeing you tomorrow. All right, so I know what some of you guys are thinking, Antonio, what about the beauty comments? What about the, you're absolutely gorgeous. You're the most beautiful woman in the world. Here's the thing, is that beauty compliments can come off as very shallow, as she's heard it again, especially if she is a very attractive woman. People have thrown this at her again and again, and you're looking to stand apart. You're looking to create a feeling of, wow, that just makes me feel good. He recognizes for who I am. Nothing wrong with beauty compliments. I give them to my wife all the time, but you don't always have to state that. And if you do, try to be specific. That's what I talked about, the biting of the finger. You can mention, oh, have you ever noticed you have a freckle on your neck? You may spot little things and you can bring that up as a compliment. That is very specific. But again, avoid the generalities. Now, this next set of compliments, incredibly important, especially if you're in an established relationship. You've been married for 20 years. You've been dating your girlfriend for 6 months. Here's the issue, is that as guys, we stop giving compliments. So guys, take notes, use these for somebody that you already have a relationship with. You are absolutely astoundingly gorgeous. And that's actually the least interesting thing about you. You light up my life like nobody else. I start my day with you on my mind, and I end my day with you in my dreams. I feel most alive by your side. I trust you implicitly. You are my queen. You're everything I've ever wanted in a woman. Your lips always look kissable. You are an amazing kisser. You know, you're sexy even when you're bossy. I just have to say, the more I learn about you, the more I fall in love with you. I never knew what it meant to be a man until I met you. Best part of my day is waking up with you. Even when you're grouchy, I love you. I never thought it could be this good. You know, you make commitment feel easy. You are everything to me. You have all my respect and all my love. I want to thank you for showing me that I can have the best relationship in the world. I really won the jackpot with you. I didn't even know it was possible to love somebody as much as I love you. You're the only woman I want to be with for the rest of my life. You've shown me a love I now can't live without. Now let's go over some compliments that did not make the cut. You're so cool, you're like a dude in a girl's body. No. You look really good from far away. You look good for your age. You're so much prettier in person. No, don't use that one. If I was drunk, I'd be all over you. Probably not the best one. You carry your weight well. Yeah, not advised. So what video to watch next? Gents, how about things that men wear that women find disgusting? Yes, there are things in our wardrobe that they do not like, and you're shooting yourself in the foot, especially if you're going on a date and you wear this. So find out, guys, in this video right here.